Hey, listen, what if I told you that even before the Zepto IPO opens, some of the world's biggest investors are ready to invest thousands of crores? Sounds exciting, right? But here's the real question. Should retail investors be excited too? Your money deserves better decisions. This is Paisa Matters. Learn smart, invest smarter. Here's what making headline. According to recent reports, Norway's sovereign wealth fund, Norges, along with Motilal Oswal, could take nearly 40 to 45% of Zepto's anchor book. That's a huge vote of confidence even before the IPO opens to the public. Now pay attention. Whenever large institutional investors participate aggressively, the entire market starts watching. Now, you might be wondering what exactly an anchor book. Don't worry, it's actually very simple. Before an IPO opens for retail investors like you and me, companies first offer shares to large institutional investors such as mutual funds, insurance companies, and sovereign wealth funds. These are called anchor investors, and their participation often boosts confidence in the IPO. Let's talk about numbers. Zepto is expected to launch an IPO worth nearly 11,000 crores. Out of this, around 30 to 45% could be reserved for anchor investors before the public subscription begins. That's a significant allocation, showing the company wants strong institutional backing from day one. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Zepto is reportedly targeting a valuation of around $5.1 billion. Dollars. Believe it or not, that's actually lower than its previous private valuation of $7 billion. Dollars. A lower valuation can sometimes make an IPO look more attractive because investors may feel they are entering at better price. But remember, valuation is just one part of the story. So, should retail investors get excited? Strong anchor participation is definitely a positive signal because it reflects institutional confidence. But here is the catch, anchor investors don't guarantee listing gains, and they definitely don't guarantee long term returns. Always study the company's fundamentals, financials, and IPO valuation before investing. After listing, Zepto won't have an easy journey. It will always compete directly with Blinkit and Swiggy, Instamart in India rapidly growing quick commerce industries. The competition is intense, but the market opportunity is massive. The next few years will decide who become the true leader. So here is the bottom line. A strong anchor book, an attractive valuation, and growing investor interest make the Zepto IPO one of the most talked about public issues of 2026. But whether it becomes a blockbuster investment, only time will tell. Now I want to hear from you. Would you apply for the Zepto IPO or would you wait for after listing? Drop your opinion in the comment below. And if you want simple research backed updates on IPOs, stocks, and personal finance, subscribe to Paisa Matters, hit the like button, and press the bell icons so you never miss an update.